It's a Saturday. Come with me as I go for a couple of errands, and probably this is a weekend vlog. I don't know what will happen, but let's be freaking spontaneous today. Do you like the setup? Let me know what you think, you guys. I feel like this is so freaking awesome. Like this new Osmo Pocket 3 is just giving high definition. Like y'all can see my pores, my imperfections, my impurities, as if I am a wicked witch. Anyways, I don't have my microphone on because I'm testing out the audio quality with just raw audio straight from the camera. But let me know what you guys think. Today's just very chill, and right now it's 12:36 in the afternoon. I haven't had my lunch yet, nor have I drank my morning pills. I'm literally just in front of my computer editing. We're literally editing content for the next following days. Let's see how this day goes. Let's see how this weekend goes. And yeah, I just wanted to show you guys a raw footage. I don't know, I'm so excited. This is my first time vlogging with this camera, and I'm just really happy with this purchase. Like, I've been dreaming for this shit for the longest time, and now it's finally here in my hands. Yeah, I'm also testing out the battery, by the way. Sorry about the dog noise. It's freaking loud outside. My neighbor has a dog, and yeah, TMI, sorry. I'm also using raw lens right now. I don't have the wide lens on. Probably later when I go outside and do a couple of things, but right now it's the raw lens. Okay guys, so it's about time for me to drink my medications. Nothing too fancy, it's just like my supplements. Hey Google, pause. Welcome to my freaking kitchen. I don't know if you can see me clearly, but this is my boring ass kitchen. It's so dirty, but who cares? So this is my supplement stash. I always have to drink this. So first things first, I always drink to start off my morning my Ursiflora. This is a prebiotic, which is good for your gut. I drank this already when I woke up. And then we have my collagen over here, my vitamin C, zinc for immune health, and my glutathione for detoxing. So for my collagen, I drink 6 tablets. For vitamin C, I drink 2 capsules, 1 of each for glutathione and zinc. So a total of 10 pieces of supplement that goes straight into my body. And that's how you keep yourself glowing from the outside and on the inside. I drink this 30 minutes or 1 hour before I do my lunch, because I'm on fasting, by the way. First meal is at 12 p.m. and then the last meal is at 7 p.m. So about 16 hours of fasting, 16, 17-ish. I always have to follow that rule. I always need to fast just because fasting really does make a whole lot of difference into your body. Like, it's really good for debloating your skin, for debloating your body, and all of those really good stuff. So I can't name them one by one because I only watch TikTok for those, but yeah. Okay, I don't know what time is it right now. I don't have my phone, but here are my extensions. I just cleaned them out. I just washed them because I don't have anything to do. I would probably take a shower and get ready for later because I'm freaking famished. I haven't eaten yet, and it's probably about 1 p.m. now. So yeah, I don't know what you guys think about my face, because I don't know if it's tracked or what, but like there's a lot of features that I don't know yet still with this DJI, but I don't know, like literally I don't know a lot of things yet here. So yes, I look like a freaking vlogger with this camera, like, yes. Anyways, I will talk to you later. I'll probably do everything off cam, makeup, skincare. I don't know. I just don't know. I don't know what to say in this vlog. This is the first time, but yeah. Okay, you guys, so this is my walk-in closet. I'm not rich for that, but this is my wardrobe. This is my other room. I'm renting, by the way. I don't have a house yet, but soon, cross fingers, we'll have one. I'm just picking out what to wear for today's errands. I'm planning on getting 3 outfits because we might go to Caliraya to take photos and whatnot. Let me just pick my outfits. Done. I'm just brushing my eyelashes. I'm about to have my eyelashes refilled tomorrow because it looks hideous now. It's not even anymore, so I'm gonna have my eyelashes retouched tomorrow. But yeah, this is how my makeup looks like. Very simple: contour, bronzer, blush, cushion, eyebrows, and that's basically it. And then this is what I'm wearing, this dress that I showed you guys earlier, this white cute dress, and I'm just matching it with this Chanel bag that I have. Also gonna be wearing glasses because it's hot outside. It's a very sunny day. And yeah, that's my look. We're rushing right now. I'm gonna see you in a few seconds. So excuse the mess at the background. But yeah. So let me just put on my perfume. I'm wearing Aravina by Marco perfume, and then off we go. Okay, you guys, we're now in the car. Grabe init. It's so fucking hot and humid. I don't want to live here anymore in the Philippines, but what can I do? So I'm just waiting for Rob because he's getting our laundry. We had our laundry done yesterday because it was raining. So andito na tayo. Papark lang kami and then let's go na. It's a good thing that Big Boss has their own parking kasi ang hirap ng parking ngayon. Para lang kita niyo yung view. So, dito kami lagi nakain sa Big Boss. May mga biglaang kain. So, this is the view. Just you guys can see it. So, as I was saying kanina, hindi ko natapos. Dito kami lagi nakain kasi super affordable lang kanilang menu. Tapos, super dami din ng service. So, ito yung name ng restaurant, Big Boss Burro Fight. So, yung aking order is fish and chips. And then yung kay Rob ay liampo baon. See, super affordable. Order lang ako. So it's already 2:46. Ngayon pa lang yung aming first meal. So grabe, gutom na talaga. So yeah, I will update you later once the food is served. Pecha. Grabe, anong oras na? 3:06 na. Ngayon pa lang ako kakain. Grabe, I'm so busog. I ate a lot of fish and chips, which is my favorite meal from Big Boss. So now we're gonna go to Caliraya to take some cute photos. Look at the view, so pretty. It's so nice. So ganda ng view, very relaxed. And also it's very chilly here. They said that this is going to be the next Tagaytay of Laguna. So don't quote me on that, I just heard. But yeah, it's so pretty. You'll see that? Ito yung view ha, hindi ito. Ay! Guys, tapos yung ating first layout ng ating mga OOTD shots. Now I'm just gonna change my outfit to this black dress and put my hair up. I want to do a different look, so. Okay, you guys, change outfit and then we're gonna be changing location as well. We're wearing a black dress because I want to look so fucking bombshell in this sunset picture. Okay, let's go, you guys. Open. We are in a different location. Just look at the view. So relaxing. Not this one, but this one. Oh, so cute. I love the view. So nice. Parang naiba na, no? So nice. This is the view, apparently. Hindi angkop yung dress code dito sa lugar na to, so I'm too overdressed. Pack up, you guys. Hindi angkop ang suot ko, so magpapalit tayo. Dami tao, niiyak. This is what I'm wearing. Parang luluwa na yung dede ko. So nagpalit na tayo kasi niiyak. Suot ko kanina. Huh? So anyways, let's go take our photos. Bombshell. sisters, so I just finished taking photo shoots. Well, it's actually not photo shoots. I just wanted to take good photos because come Monday to Friday I'll just be stuck at home. I'm preparing a lot of photos so that I can upload it by the weekdays. I'm literally shy because a lot of people are here. Let's take a look at that. I'm in this really nice fit, but I still haven't had any chance to take a TikTok video, but now I'm taking this opportunity. So, mag-film tayo ng TikTok. Yes! Right now, look at good. Like this pussy just like you should. I'm actually here at Caliraya Lake. Let me show you the view, guys. Just look at that. Diba? Love it. So peaceful here, you guys. I don't know if you can hear me because malakas ang hangin. I'm just gonna be changing my outfit to something more cozy because it's a little bit chill here. Okay, you guys, so we decided to go back to Santa Cruz because it's getting dark and there's not much place around here na super duper aesthetic that matches my fits. I don't know why I brought these fits because I was in a hurry earlier. So, wala na tayong magagawa. But we still had some bomb-ass photos. So, we're planning on going to Sunstar if it's still open just to have our pedicure. And then after that, we're gonna go dinner and we'll call it a Saturday. That's it. And then tomorrow we have errands, so keep posted. So, punta na tayo for dinner. We're gonna eat at Panieros. I don't know why, but it's still maaga pa naman. It's like 6:30. Pero, yeah, we're gonna eat an early dinner. Daming tao. Itadakimasu. We have torta, laga-laga, pancit mi kabihon, and then taxi. I love pancit. So freaking busog. Like, I don't know how many calories I ate today. Fish and chips pa lang, like super high in calories na because that's fried. And then we have the pancit, which is high in carbs. Plus the condiments used in there. I don't know what kind of condiments. So I'm pretty sure I exceeded my calorie count for this day. So hey sisters, I'm now back home. I just got out of the shower. We changed clothes. It feels so freaking good to be fresh again. It was a tiring day, to be honest. We left home at around 2 o'clock. I don't know, 2:30. And then from 2, it's now... What time is it? And now it's 10:22. Literally 8 hours outside and I'm just so exhausted. I feel like I'm a fucking old person now. Because I get too exhausted very easily. Like when I was younger, when I was in high school, I literally get up at 6. I go home at 5. And then right after that, I hang out at my friend's place until 12 or 1 a.m. And I'm still alive. But now I'm just gone for like 8 hours and I'm just so freaking exhausted. But yeah, I'm just doing my skincare. I'm using the Skintific Retinol. This is their retinol line. And this is their serum. Just 2-step retinol skincare only. But yeah, that's it. I will probably see you guys again tomorrow. We have 2 things for tomorrow. Actually 3. First one is gonna get our lashes done. Second is my grandfather and grandmother's birthday. And then in between, I'm thinking if we could still get a pedicure. I don't know if time permits. Let's do it. But yeah, I will see you guys tomorrow. XOXO. Good night. Good morning, sisters. So I am literally just getting ready to go to my lash appointment because my lashes are freaking ridiculous. Like, I don't know if you can see it here on cam, but it's uneven anymore. This side doesn't have any extensions here, right about here in the inner corner, but this side still looks full, and I don't like that. So I don't know if you can see this, but yeah, that's the situation. See, there's a gap in between there, and this one, there's a gap there. I don't like it. I'm supposed to return on the 19th. It's the 14th already. But anyways, I have a 10 a.m. appointment. It's just like a few blocks away out of my house. This is what we are wearing. Something cute, simple, on the go, chic, and very comfy. And since it's a new day, another scent to try from Marco Perfume in the scent Faira. I love this because it has this peppery scent at the beginning and then tones down to this really aromatic scent once it settles down. I love it. I may or might not film, I don't know, because it's just a lash appointment, and after that we're gonna go run a few errands right before our grandfather and grandma's birthday celebration. So yeah, it's a rainy Sunday, you guys. Look at that.
Boarding pass, check.
Okay, tapos na tayo sa ating eyelashes. Buong buo na siya ulit. Thank you so much, Miss Diana. Hi! Grabe lakas ng ulan. Bongga! Grabe ang lakas ng ulan. Naabutin na kami ng baha. Hey sisters, it's now 3:22 p.m. Mind you, 10 a.m. nagpa-eyelashes ako, and then around 12 nagpa-pedicure ako. So from 12 hanggang 3, na-stranded kami dahil sobrang taas ng baha. Like super taas. Ngayon lang siya tumila actually, and parang wala lang, dumaan lang, grabe. Pero dun sa place namin, sobrang taas ng baha, like hanggang tuhod. So that's kind of scary. But anyways, we're off to Caliraya. Bago yun, bibili muna kami ng cake para sa blowing of candles ni Grandpapa. And then, yeah, magtatakaw tayo. So, it's been 16 or 17 hours na ako nagpa-fasting na naman. Super tagal. But it's gonna be worth it kasi mamaya magtatakaw na ulit tayo. So, yeah, I'm excited. But yeah, look at the lashes. And then our pedicure, gawang-gawa na siya. So, we have a lot of things na nagawa today. So, very productive. Anywho, I will see you later. Okay, nakabili na tayo ng cake. It's chocolate cake because that's their favorite. Period. Sisters, so I wasn't able to give an up in between the birthday celebration. There was just a lot of things happening, you know, a little get together with the family, a lot of foods. Y'all know that I will be freaking eating a lot because that's gonna be my first meal. Mind you, I woke up at 8:30-ish, and then went straight ahead to my 10 a.m. appointment for my lashes. Waited a couple hours in the salon just because of that freaking rain. Right now, it's still raining, and it's just once in a blue moon when we get together during our grandfather and grandmother's birthday. So yeah, and up until now, grabe yung ulan talaga, as in super baha pa rin sa mga dinaanan namin. And not to mention, this is not a bagyo yet. Normal lang na ulan siya, but still the damage is so big. It's just really annoying that all of our taxes just went to nothing. Like, fuck these people from DPWH. They fucking deserve a special spot in hell. Like, for real, I don't know if you can hear the sound of the rain pouring down our roof. It's just so insane. And by the way, I'm using the Ceramide 510 Skintific line. This is a moisturizer, and this is the serum. And earlier I was using the 4D Hyaluronic Acid Toner and their Crystal Massager Lifting Eye Cream. This is a go-to and a must-have eye cream. It's 1:25 a.m. already. Super duper exhausted, so tired, and I'm so groggy. I really want to sleep now because of the soju. It was my first time drinking soju. I had a couple of drinks, like a bottle or two, and the effect on me was like batshit crazy. I wanted to sleep already during my first 3 shots. I'd be dropped dead sleeping if I had the chance. But yeah, that is it for our weekend. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know it is long. I'm still learning. I'm still adjusting. But that's it for our weekends. XOXO. Bye.